In this video I'm going to walk you through the code, just quickly explain it. It's not the prettiest code it could be. I'm new to Jython, so I struggled with the syntax a bit and kind of had to force my way through it. But this is the main script. Succully is an awesome program if you haven't used it before, but the IDE is pretty basic. A lot of the basic coding I did in other ones, but I'm still struggling with how to port Succully into other IDEs like NetBeans and have it work. So without going into the details of every line, this one's important here. For the previous video test, I had it running through the first 10. I should probably change this so it automatically knows when to stop, but if you want it to run through the full list, just set that to 70. There's never more than 70 commodities in one station. So this would run through the entire list. First things it's doing is capturing the images based on some XY coordinates. Then this is leveraged from a separate module I wrote, which is enlarging and stretching the image. It's doing that for the sell price, the buy price, the supply price, and the galactic average. This is how it knows when to stop, when it finds the exit button. That's when it exits this loop. Some basic regular expressions here for the prices to filter out anything that's not a number. Then this is another separate module that's called verify price, or price verify. It's in the base folder. That's going through and doing some error checking, comparing the buy price to the sell price and other things like that. This is the name cleaner. It has a problem finding spaces right now, so this goes through and cleans up some of the names with known issues I've seen. Another regular expression to filter out a few characters that should not be in the name. Adds all this to an array and then scrolls down to the next item. This is my function to enlarge the image. This class is what opens up the verification window, adds the different panels with the different text boxes and the images next to them. It only shows the, where is that? It only shows the buy text box if the buy price is not equal to 0. Only shows the supply price if the buy price is not equal to 0 and the supply price is equal to 0. This is the click function that runs when you click submit prices, and that runs this class, which tabs over to Slopies, clicks the add prices button, and this is the awesomeness of Succully, where it's very little bits of code to just tab through and type out the prices. This is just looping through that array that I created earlier. And that's it for this video. I may post a follow-up video talking through some of the known issues and what's next. Actually, I'll go into that now. The next things I have on my to-do list are to get this running from a command prompt so that I can hopefully get this working with a full screen version of Elite. I talked to the guys who have created the Elite OCR program that you've probably seen on the forums, and he pointed me to this wiki page on how to train Tesseract. Tesseract is the OCR that I'm using to extract the names and numbers from the screens, and apparently there's a way to train it to certain fonts, so that's what I'm going to be working on next. Third, I'm going to try and package this up into a little bit easier to install application so that you don't have to go through the whole process with Succully and everything else. That's it for now. Hopefully you guys can get it running. Let me know what kind of issues you run into. I'm open to suggestions to improve this program. Thanks for listening.